Dr. Paul Godwin has been named the SLSEPA St. Louis Elementary Principals Association Distinguished Principal. Yours truly.
Thank you. And as you know, I've said this before, I've said it at our Veterans Day Assembly about champions and things like that. Things don't just happen by chance, it happens because of great people around you. We have an amazing Mrs. Shine next to us. Let's give her a round of applause. It doesn't happen without her. Is there a Mrs. Shelton in here? Mrs. Shelton? See, Mrs. Shelton is helping people right now. So it doesn't go, it's not a one-man show. And as soon as you think it's a one-man show, you got yourself a big problem. Because it does take all of you. It takes these wonderful people that are around you to make Green Pines, I think, a pretty special place.
I like Dr. Godwin because he's very kind and he thinks of us before he thinks of himself.
I think he's awesome because he's like the best principal ever.